Yoder is an electrical and plumbing contracting company, and we provide anything from new construction services to home and business services.
We pride ourselves in the ability to get to the jobs quickly. We have people that are dedicated to doing nothing but the phone calls. We always want those techs that are going out to the jobs to be professional and people that represent us very well.
If you want to get a hold of us and figure something out, call our main number and we'll answer.